What's up guys, Cody with Sonic Electronics. We're here at the Metra booth for SEMA 2024, looking at some of the new speaker harnesses, and in particular, we're looking at some of the new speaker harnesses for Teslas that they have to offer, both some new models and some old. So now if you drive a Model 3, S, X, or Y from 2012 to 2023, they have a speaker harness for you, plug and play in the 72-8601 by Metra. Moving on down a little bit, for other models, there's also the 728602 for 2015 to 2024 for Tesla, as well as BMW. Now, if you drive a Model 3 2017 to 2024 or Model Y 2020 to 2024, you're going to be looking at the 728603. And then we also have, for the Model X, really nice to see, the 2015 to 2021 and the Model S 2012 to 2021. They have the Metra 728605, and that's a plug-and-play harness as well, of course. And then lastly, for the Model 3 and Model Y, from 2017 to 2023, they have the Metra 728600. So a couple different models, couple different pieces and years, but overall it seems like they really came out to offer a plug-and-play solution for a wide variety of Tesla vehicles. So be sure to head on over to Metra, load your vehicles, see what speaker harness you need, or head on over to Sonic Electronics, load your vehicle, and see what speaker harness you need.